everyone, this is Brittany here with your art fail of the week, and this week it is about time for the children in my area to go back to school, so I thought it would be fun to do a little how to draw different school supplies. We will be drawing a backpack, a ruler, crayons, and a pencil. All you will need is a pencil unless you want to color with me after we go through how to draw each of these things. So first we are going to start with our backpack. We're going to do kind of like a gumdrop shape right in the center of our paper. Or like a U. Do a U and then change it into like a gumdrop. So like rounded further at the bottom than just the U shape at the top to make a little gumdrop looking shape. And up at the top, you're going to do another tiny U. Like it has a little hat, a little gumdrop hat on top of a gumdrop. And then do another, almost like you're making a rainbow for one of the straps. And then for the second strap, we're going to move down about right here and draw a line curved down like this, and then connect that line over to your backpack or your gumdrop for now, because it's not a official backpack yet. And then we're going to do the same thing that we did adding that strap. So another line kind of following that same line that we just did. There's our second strap. And coming from right here, we're gonna do kind of like a loose V shape. Up to the other side of our gumdrop. And put a little button right here. And then for our bottom pocket right here, it's just gonna be another curved line like that. So there's our backpack. Next, we'll do an easy one. We're gonna do a ruler. So we're going to make a very long rectangle. So I'll start with a line, straight line, diagonal line like that. And I'll go ahead and draw the other side of the ruler and match that line up here. And then connect those with straight lines. And then to make it a ruler, you gotta add those lines, the measurement lines. So just add short, long lines. And there's our ruler. And next up, we'll do a box of crayons right here. So it's going to be another rectangle. So we'll start by drawing our straight line across like that. And bottom of the crayon box here. And connect those. Then to have that little crayon window, we'll go a little bit down from here, draw another straight line. Not quite all the way across, just leave a little on the edges. And then you're gonna make it almost look like a smile. Connecting. And then for the crayons inside, just draw straight line down. It'll definitely look more like a smile, like you're adding teeth. Really, really long teeth. And then add an oval right here. And I'm gonna write crayons. We're not gonna be brand specific for my drawing. So there's our crayon box. And now we'll do a pencil off on this side. So it's going to be similar to the ruler over here. Long line, make another parallel line. And instead of connecting them with a straight line, this one we're going to make an M. And then from our points, we'll make it into a triangle, a V, and then put a little line there, because this will be the point of our pencil. And then for this edge, we'll make a round edge. And then we'll add a little more down from our pencil and do another curved line, and we'll add the eraser, curve like that, and put another line in between right here for that metal part of your pencil. And then there's grooves on your pencil, so from our M, we're going to draw 2 more straight lines meeting up with that M point. Mine definitely isn't straight, but there is our pencil. So I hope you enjoyed drawing with me today. If you want to continue, I'm going to color this. But thank you so much for drawing with me if you choose not to color with me. Alright, so first of all, I'm going to get out one of my liner pens and make these lines more bold. So if you have any kind of black marker, you can use that before you actually use your colors. so much for drawing and coloring with me today. Please remember to leave a like if this video helped you out, and subscribe for more art videos. I try to post them weekly, and I hope to see you in the next video.